using your tactics against you.
Stop.
Don't call your supervisor right now.
Hell no.
A citizen exercising his right to record in public is approached by a deputy. Moments later, the encounter escalates.
If you want to videotape people, you can videotape me. What'd you say?
I can do whatever I want out here.
I'm not saying you can. I just wanted to talk to you.
I don't need to talk to you.
All right, you have a good day, sir.
I still don't want to talk to you.
Okay, I'm just curious, like, why you're videotaping people. Okay. I mean, you're allowed to be on the road. It's just cut.
Where I'm not allowed to. I think they need to understand that better than I do.
Okay. Well, they also don't want you on the property, so.
Property.
I didn't say you were. I said they don't want you on the property.
Nobody told me otherwise.
You get back on that property, or what?
Shut your mouth.
Or what?
Shut your mouth.
Or what? You gonna do something to me? You gonna use your little pepper spray?
The deputy accused the citizen of circling her, called him little man, causing the confrontation to become tense.
Nice little attitude on you, huh?
You do too, little man.
Yeah. Shut up. Yeah,
I don't need backup.
No, with that you don't.
Okay.
Yeah.
You gonna do something different?
Yeah. Are you threatening me?
I'm asking you a question. I'm asking you a question. Are you gonna come up me? You gonna come up?
You want to escalate this?
You want to escalate?
You want to escalate it? Oh yeah, I could escalate.
Get out of my face right now.
Why? What are you gonna do? Get back in your.
No.
Get back in your vehicle.
Stop
bitch.
circling me.
Shut the. I'm using your tactics against you.
Stop.
Don't call your supervisor right now.
Hell no.
Call your supervisor right now, bitch. Don't touch me. Don't just assault me.
Get the away from this. Yeah, keep backing up. Get the. You live on this road. Go the.
Just you. This is public property. You don't tell me what to do. Go back in your vehicle. Go detail. Go off. It's a First Amendment protected activity.
I didn't say you couldn't
Then
record.
get the out of here.
No.
I'm demanding a fucking supervisor right now. You just assaulted me. You just put your hands on me. That's excessive force. You escalated it. Now we're gonna play. Yeah, you haven't met somebody like me, have you?
I have plenty of. I met plenty of before.
I know. Oh, you're gonna call me fucking names now, huh?
You're the one that wanted it. I got documents in there. You can't be recorded.
Don't cover them. Back in your fucking vehicle like I told you the first time.
Once you get away from here.
Get away from where?
From my fucking vehicle.
Have a little professionalism. You swearing at me, dude?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is that any
I match your energy. I match energy. 10-4, but I got him back here. Just have him come back.
Yeah, have him come back here. Call the supervisor while you're at it.
375.
375.
For 110's 14, we're out on McLean Ave, just behind the church.
11026. 269, you'll just head to Downey so I can get you back up 2077 Downey Drive, 207 Downey, across the dead end at Marcus Point, 17th Cynthia, reference Braylon, 13 years of age.
Hello.
The encounter eventually ends without any charges. Later reports indicated the deputy is suspended over this incident.